Alright, so there's this corner that's been worked on. It's about ready to be glassed. We've exposed a lot more damage across the top. Now this side is much worse than we originally thought on the inside. It's all eat up, so this is that post that we cut out in the game plan, is to cut the inside of the post that we cut out and weld it in. So we'll see what happens. Alright, so making progress as far as stripping stuff out. Got the whole gas stripped out, and that post over there has been stripped and reworked that we talked about last time. But this is damage from the fire. Yeah, we have another cab located we may be able to strip stuff off of, but structure wise it's no better, it's worse than this one. I'll go get a closer up shot of that post. Alright, so we pulled that piece out so you see what's on the inside. Actually, the inside of that don't look too terribly bad.
That part that over here from the fan.
Yeah. This up here at the top is still pretty debatable how we're going to fix that, but we think we got the post figured out. I was just thinking, the cab, when we did this truck the first time, we took it all the way down to the frame. A lot of this was off of a truck that got wrecked. Cab came off of one we had found wrecked, and the cab I sold to another guy. He was doing all this to that one, and now here I am doing it to the one that I replaced that one with. So just thought it was a little interesting the way things work. But he was a professional welder that was doing it, so it probably came out a lot better. I never saw the finished product.